Colleagues, I'm privileged and indeed honored to be here this morning in the opening of the 4th MSG Police Commission's Conference. I'm truly delighted to welcome you all One Talks and your delegations. Your presence in this meeting renders significant value to our relationship despite continuous political challenges in some of the member countries have had to contend with over the years. Colleagues, as a Melanesian, I'm proud to say that we are one big family sharing the same values and traditions, representing unique cultures and at the same time maintaining our identity in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, today I wish to pay tribute to the former chair of this esteemed body, the former Commissioner of Fiji Police, Major General Joketani. Under his visionary leadership between 2011 and 2013, the PCC has gained much recognition for the initiatives which were endorsed by our leaders in the very first year that this body was formally established. Thereafter, under the guidance of Major General Joketani, this constituent body has made new inroads into areas we never thought we as a group pursue an international state. Indeed, some remarkable progress has been made under the former chairman's leadership, including the endorsement of the former police unit, Regional Police Academy, and the Department of Peacekeeping Operations initiatives. Furthermore, it was under his watch that the Memorandum of Agreement on police cooperation was signed by our leaders in June of this year, or last year. Other initiatives are nearing completion, and I thank him for the steadfast commitment towards the membership in pursuing those tasks. On behalf of the Government of Fiji, I congratulate Major General Joketani for his commitment to the work of MSG PCC, and likewise, I wish to thank you all for your support to the Major General during his term as chair. By the same token, I wish to warmly congratulate the co-chairs of the PCC for assuming this new role for the period 2013-2014. The assumption of this role as co-chairs will turn out to be an exciting phase for the members as you venture into the formal establishment of initiatives that leaders have approved over the past couple of years. This will require the total support and commitment of members in cooperating and following through the establishment of the FPU, DPKO, and RPA. Furthermore, with limited resources and emerging security challenges being experienced by members, as well as our own domestic priorities, this will also determine how you progress some of these initiatives. I am reminded of the vision of our leaders in endorsing the establishment of this body to facilitate, among other matters, police cooperation amongst members. Police cooperation is essential as we strive to face new security challenges we are becoming exposed to through globalization and other international activities, transnational activities. Having glanced briefly through the agenda of the meeting, I could envision one way forward for us as Melanesians, and that is to foster unwavering relationship and cooperation in various facets of institutional strengthening and development without relying on external influences. To mention a few, police games and cultural exchanges is an avenue of fostering cooperation and integration. Therefore, it is critical that we seriously embark on these initiatives to consolidate our traditional ties and strengthen our cultural background. Such activities will not only create cohesiveness, but also create a platform conducive to multilateral and bilateral police cooperation. Colleagues, in this changing world, we need to aggressively embrace reforms and readjust our focus in alignment with the challenges of emerging threats. As such, I must stress the importance of promoting and maintaining mutual understanding and sharing strategies and policies for better policing. We must be able to construct a robust law environment enforcement MSG region that is resilient to the demand of our people, culminating in our determination to resolve issues the MSG way and without undue interference from outside. Let us reassure you that we are capable enough as Melanesians to resolving our own problems without the limitations and constraints we may face. Friends and colleagues, I must admit that we are on our own, that we have our own unique law and order situation and uncertainties that challenge the internal capacities to respond. On our own, we have very limited resources to mitigate law and emerging threats. Our only safety is the coordination and regrouping of our resources as an MSG body to enable us to achieve our regional and international objectives and obligations. Co-chairs and members of the PCC, I hope over the next 2 days you will accomplish some of the tasks that you have been discussing over the past 2 years, including the EPO concept as well as the long-awaited police games and cultural events. Police Women Network and the MOA on information sharing is a matter that we need to consider. While the inaugural Melanesian Games set out to take place in New Caledonia and the 5th Melanesian Arts and Cultural Festival taking place in Papua New Guinea this year, these activities are fast approaching catching up on us, and I hope this meeting will help determine how the body would like to anticipate these activities at the police level. Gentlemen, and I emphasize gentlemen, one of the most important activities that we need to consider very seriously is the Women's Police Network. The MSG governing body has approved for the leadership in women's program is to be an additional work program for Secretariat, and I hope this should help enhance discussions on the network for our ladies. I hope and urge you all to take this seriously, as women do have the important role to play too in law enforcement, as they do so in levels of society. I do hope that the 2 days meet will critically discuss and find some remedial solution to the major embryonic uncertainties involved within the region, not to mention your respective internal security. You have the ability and our resources to handle the challenges on matters that stands in your way. I also wish you all a pleasant stay here in Fiji and hope you will enjoy Fijian hospitality. It is my pleasure and honor to declare the 4th MSG Police Commissions Conference officially open. Thank you very much.